side dish with the main course, chicken, baked chicken. I'm not going to show you how to cook baked chicken because everybody knows how to cook baked chicken. Put your seasons, put your flavor, stick it in the oven, crisp, it's done. But today we're cooking a side dish, and it's stir-fried rice. But I'm doing a little twist to it because you know I'm semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, and I put it all together and everybody loves it. So we're going to substitute the rice with the brown rice with cauliflower rice. And you have to try, especially if you're on a low-carb diet, you're on anybody's diet, you're on your mama, your daddy, your granddaddy diet, you're on your own diet. You got to try this rice out. If you're missing your chicken and your stir-fry from the restaurants, you got to try it out. You're going to love it. You're going to be like, oh, why haven't I thought about it? Come on, follow me in the kitchen. Let's get it. Alright guys, today we're going to be cooking this easy, healthy side dish. Doesn't take long, probably want to say 10 minutes. So let me run down the ingredients for you and let's get this meal started. You can get cauliflower rice, or you can use regular rice that you cooked the day before, leftover rice, or you can cook some fresh rice, up to you. Cauliflower rice in the bag, bird's eye, they have all types of flavor and seasons. This is what we're going to use today, and I need to cut this down on low. And then we're going to use a half a cup of red onions, which is my favorite, everyone knows. We're going to use a half a cup of bell pepper, yellow, and we're going to use a half a cup of bell pepper, red. Now you can also use peas and carrots, which I'm not going to use and I don't really want to use. You're going to need you some soy sauce. You can use the regular soy sauce or the low or light sodium soy sauce. And to kick it up just a notch, you want to use sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil, you buy it one time, lasts for 2 years. Do not put it in the refrigerator because it get cloudy. But if you store it in the cabinet, it stays for about 2 years. Some minced garlic, which I have right here, or you can mince your own garlic. And you know this is simple, this is easy, and I'm not going to be all day cooking. Bam! I went to the store and got my seasoning. You know I love these packages. You can get it from your local store or Wally World, aka Walmart. And then you're just going to need one nice egg. So I got my jumbo eggs right here. So let's get this party started. You see over here, I got my pot going. And you need a pot with a lid to it. So that's what I have. I'm going to actually go ahead and saute my bell peppers and my onions. So I'm going to get that started right now. Alright, and if you get the cauliflower, if you want to make it yourself, it's just nothing but a cauliflower head. You take a grater and you grate it up, which makes a little rice. Or you can buy it in the store. You can buy it in the bag like I have. Or if you have a fresh produce area, you can also go ahead and buy it in the container. So I have both. I'm going to go ahead and saute the bell peppers and the onions together, and I'm just going to add a little bit of my butter, or you can use a little bit of oil, and I'm going to use a little bit of butter. Butter makes everything better. So that's just one of the fatty things we got going on right here. A little bit of this butter, and I'm going to mix this up and let that saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to let this saute for about 5 minutes. Doesn't take that long. And as that's going, I'm going to explain a little bit about this rice for you. So put my lid back on there. I'm going to explain a little bit about this cauliflower rice. It's healthier for you. You can get a full cup of cauliflower rice. It's only 80 calories. And it's better than regular rice. It has a total carbohydrates of 6. So if you're on the keto diet or any low carb diet, you might want to use this or choose another option. If you use regular rice, it's higher in calories, you get less of it, and it's higher in total carbohydrates. So I prefer if you get cauliflower rice. And you're not going to tell the difference, especially if you have them carnivores in the house. I love meat and rice and potatoes and that hearty food. This rice is going to do the best for your health, and they're not going to know the difference. So saute the bell peppers up. Once the bell peppers get sauteed, if you have a steam bag, go ahead and throw that in the microwave. Let it steam because that's going to help you cook the cauliflower rice a little bit faster. On top of that, after we get done cooking the bell pepper and the cauliflower rice, we're going to add that to our mixture, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make this simple, easy, semi-homemade, semi-store-bought. So stay tuned and keep watching with me. Alright, got these bell peppers cooking and onions. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, which is my favorite. And I'm going to add a little bit of my seasoning. This seasoning is my all-time breakfast favorite seasoning. It has like a Mexican flair to it. And I know you like, we're cooking stir fry. But I love the seasoning. It's the bomb. So if you see it in your stores, pick it up. It is the bomb when you're cooking omelets, eggs, you know, anything like that. So that's what I like to do. And I'm going to turn this up and let this saute a little bit more. And then we're going to go ahead and finish up making this good. Finish up making this good meal. Sorry about the coffee. You want to put the minced garlic in there last, because if you put it in there right now while this is on medium high, it's going to burn. You're going to get this nasty taste and you're going to be mad what in the world happened. So if you go to the store, Sunbird has a no MSG added fried rice seasoning mixture. And I love this because it takes the work out of you pulling all the seasonings out of the cabinet, trying to find the seasonings that go to make an Asian flair zing to your rice. If you find this in the store, pick them up. In my local area, they are about 50 cents a pack. So it's kind of high because normally they're like 35 cents depending, but this is only 50 cents a pack. So it's not high to me, but it's really good. And it is helpful. Alright. So let's check up on these bell peppers, see what's going on. Woo! Y'all see that steam? Alright, so. Sorry about the cough. But the bell peppers and the onions have sauteed down. They're looking great and lovely. And I'm just going to take my pot off real quick and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like in here. Woo! Looking good, ain't it? Alright. So now what I'm going to do is add my rice, because I got some flavors going on in here. And I want them flavors to marinate with this rice. Now the rice pack that I got is savory herbs. They have one with cheese to it. They just have the plain, but I got savory herbs. And we're just going to add that in here. And the way it looks on the outside of the pack, that's how it actually looks when you dump the cauliflower rice out. So I'm about to show y'all that before I stir it up. One good time. See that? It looks just like rice. Can't tell the difference. Who knows? Like, who knows? Alright. And again, this is simple, easy, semi-homemade, semi-store. And you know, I semi-homemade because I had to cut up the bell peppers and onions from the store. I didn't buy it pre-made or packaged, so you know. I had to buy it and cut it up. So I'm going to put this on medium high. I'm going to let this, it's smelling good already. I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to let this cook just for a little bit longer. And then we're going to go ahead and add the minced garlic in there. And then we're going to go ahead and add that cracked egg. And then I'm going to add the seasonings and the sauces to make this feel like stir-fried rice. Alright, so we got this steaming, we got this hot, we got this juicy. So we're going to take a jumbo or large egg, which is our jumbo egg. Jumbo eggs are 90 calories, y'all. And I'm going to take my jumbo egg and I'm going to crack it in the middle of my pan. And I am going to cook this egg. That's what's going to give it the scramble part, y'all. We're going to scramble it up. So I'm going to scramble the egg up. Then I'm also going to go ahead and open up my garlic. Oops. Don't spill that in there. Open up my garlic and I'm going to give it a little bit of my garlic. Alright, so let me finish scrambling this egg up, and we're going to mix the garlic in there, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to go ahead and move to the next and final and last step of getting this prepared and cooked for you. Alright guys, so let's finish this lovely meal off. Whoop, whoop. It's smelling delicious. So let me show you what it looks like with the egg stir fried in there. Probably can't see it because that steam is bubbling or steaming. however you want to say it. So now, time for the last ingredient so this stir fry can be magnificent. So what you need, bam, the secret seasoning. Do not have to go through your cupboard, your cabinets, or your pantry pulling out all this good stuff when it's already flavored in the bag for your baby. So take that and sprinkle it all over your rice. Sprinkle it all over your rice. Don't leave nothing, I mean nothing out of it. Alright, and then stir it up in there. Now it comes out as a powder form, but it has everything that you need for your stir fry rice. And I'm just going to show y'all some extra little ingredients that's going to make it poppin'. So next, I use light soy sauce because I added some of my favorite seasoning. But the light soy sauce is going to help it combine to the rice with the seasoning pack. And you need 1 tablespoon. Throw that up in there like so. And you're going to stir it up. Now it's going to change color. It's going to turn to like a brownish color. But that's alright. As long as it tastes good, that's all that matters. Next, but not last, you're going to use 2 dashes of sesame seed oil. If anybody has ever cooked with sesame seed oil, you make sure you don't put a lot because it's overpowering and it can mess up the whole meal. But if you use it correctly, it can make the whole meal taste magnificent. So I don't have the little dash thing on there. I'm just going to do about a drop. About 2 drops. 1, 2. You put too much in there, you'll mess up the whole meal. The whole meal that only took 10 minutes to cook. So stir that up. Oh, I wish I could smell this. It's delicious. So, I'm going to tell you what I did not put in here. Peas and carrots. Because I just didn't want it. Peas and carrots have a lot of carbohydrates. I didn't want them in here. So I used bell pepper and onions. My favorite. And anybody ever seen me cook anything, you know, bell peppers and onions are my favorite. Use a non-stick pan. You don't have to worry about too much of a mess. Use my BAM secret seasonings. Because you know I always come simple. Homemade and simple. And then when you get to cooking and mix everything up, well, look how wonderful that is. Look at it. Alright, so let that simmer. I'm going to cut it down on low. Put the lid back on there. Let it simmer, let it cook. And then once it's done, I'm going to put it in a little bowl. We're going to taste it and see if it passed the Dimples and Doge cooking class. And if alright, so we let it cool, we let it simmer, everything is good and ready to go. We're just going to taste a little bit of this so I can show you what we've been cooking in this lovely pot. So this is what it looks like. It's steaming, it's hot, it's good, it smells like stir fry. We substitute regular rice or brown rice with cauliflower rice, and now we're about to give it the taste. The final taste, y'all. So let me taste it. Tastes good. I just need to finish cooking my meat. And this side dish is the bomb. So until next time, we're going to keep cooking healthy. Keep cooking good. Keep it going. Yeah. I'm about to finish eating it. Like, share, keep watching, leave a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Tell me if you made it. Tell me how it turned out. Tell me what you think. Just tell me anything. Goddamn. I love it.